New recommendations just out from the Connecticut Education Association about the start of school and sending students back to class. Now, just today, the CEA said it would like to see the start of school delayed by 2 weeks, or at least until mid-September, so teachers can expand remote learning. It says many teachers feel unprepared heading into the school year, and issues like mandating masks, how to keep up social distancing, and what to do if a student or staff member is sick haven't been addressed yet in all school districts.
We know that these need to be in place, and they're simply not in place in too many districts. We want to get this right, and so we're suggesting that we hold off, we do a little bit more planning, a little bit better planning, a little bit more in-service instruction for our teachers, and give everybody time to do the best that we can in opening schools in 2020.
The CEA says it's working with the State Department of Education, but conversations aren't trickling down to individual school districts. Well, I reached out to the state about these new recommendations. Rob Blanchard with the governor's office said in part, quote, "We have put in place plans and guidelines that keep students and staff safe while also doing our best to provide our young people with access to an education that prepares them for the future." After schools closed last spring, 176,000 Connecticut students did not log on for a single day of distance learning. Although we've since taken significant steps to equip students to learn from home, we also know that nothing compares to safe, high-quality in-person education with the nation's best teachers and other education professionals. He said Governor Lamont wants to ensure that we don't miss another year of education. Now, more than 400 members of the boarding school community have signed a statement asking those schools and those private schools to go 100% online. In fact, this online document says bringing students and staff back to campus poses unnecessary risks to their physical and mental health. The 436 people who have signed the document are asking schools to allow classes to continue virtually until it's safe to have people back on campus. It says that 24 faculty at Choate Rosemary Hall in Wallingford have signed it, as well as staff at other Connecticut institutions.